Hello all, welcome to the day 49 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. The cost to produce bottled spring water is given by C of x is equal to 16x minus 63, where x is the number of thousands of bottles. The total income from the sale of these bottles is given by the function r of x is equal to minus x square plus 326x minus 7463. Question 1. Since profit is equal to revenue minus cost, find the profit function. Let the profit function be written as P of x. P of x is equal to R of x minus C of x minus x square plus 326x minus 7463 minus C of x is 16x minus 63. On opening the bracket, we get minus x square plus 326x minus 7463 minus 16x plus 63, which is minus x square plus 310x minus 7400. So this is the profit function as asked in the question 1. Question 2. How many bottles sold will produce the maximum profit? The P of x is a quadratic equation. Since A is negative, this is a downward parabola. Imagine a graph being drawn. Along the x, the number of bottles will be taken, and along the y, the profit is taken. So the maximum profit occurs at the vertex. The x coordinate of that vertex is x is equal to minus b upon 2a, where x is nothing but the number of bottles sold. From the P of x, we get to know a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 310, and c is minus 7400. Substituting that here, x equal to minus 310 upon 2 times minus 1, which gives us 155. Number of bottles sold to get max profit is equal to 155,000 bottles. Question number 3. What is the maximum profit? Now that we know the number of bottles to be sold to get maximum profit, let us substitute that quantity in P of x. P of 155 is equal to minus 155 square plus 310 times 155 minus 7400. On calculating this, we get 16,625. That is, the maximum profit achieved is rupees 16,625. Question number 4. Find the profit when 245,000 bottles are sold. In the same profit function, we have to substitute 245 in the place of x. Minus 245 the whole square plus 310 times 245 minus 7400. This gives us 8525. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.